welcome back. You cannot be on this channel and your life will remain the same. Me, I cannot be here and watch you broke like cannot happen. So today I'll be telling you how networking can help your business, and I'll be giving you contact of major importers. When I say importers that are tested and trusted, importers that I can vouch for that yes, they won't disappoint you. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Funmike. I'm so happy today. So recently clocked 140 subscribers. Thank you so much to everyone who made this happen. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm so happy and encouraged, and I promise to do better. Thank you so much. So if you are new on this channel, you don't want to miss everything we gain on this channel, please join the train. You just have to join us, please. Returning subscribers, you guys are the real deal, man. You all made this happen. Thank you so much for the love, got the comments, the likes, the shares. Thank you so much. I wouldn't have gotten this far without God and you guys. Thank you so much. I really love you guys. That's a signature. Thank you so much. So welcome back to my channel. My name is Funmike. I film about business ideas, do-it-yourself tutorials, food, health and lifestyle. Thank you for coming to my channel. I am a YouTuber based in Lagos. Did I hear myself say YouTuber? Oh, okay. I'm speaking by faith. I am calling those things that are not as though they are. So yes, we'll get there. With you all and God, we'll get there. So if today is your first time on this channel, please, you might need to see the first video on this channel where I talked about how to start a business without capital. For you to get a full understanding of what we'll be discussing today, you need to watch that video, please. So the link to that video will be in the description box below. So thank you. Please hurry down to that video, watch, then come back and watch this so that you can understand what we've been talking about, how far we've come. So today, before I start giving the contact of those importers I promised to give, networking. I said I was going to say something about networking. Please, networking is so important in this kind of business. For you to succeed or to do well in this kind of our business, you need to know how to network, please. Okay, so quickly, networking is a valuable way of expanding your knowledge, getting to learn from the success of others, getting to meet new people, getting to tell them about what you do. It might also make you, like, in short, in most cases, you get to meet or to gain clients. Networking is so important. I cannot overemphasize this. Please, if you used to be like it, or I used to be shy, no, shyness cannot help. I was shy and broke. So please, you need to shake off that shyness. Who shyness up? Nobody. So please, shake it off. Be flexible. Please don't be too rigid. You can always learn that, or you can always try. Just improve on yourself. People who know me in 2016, even up to 2018, know how much I used to be timid and shy. At some point, I knew that I cannot continue that way. I cannot continue to be shy and be broke. So what? I shifted everything to one side, and yes, and this is new me. I'm still improving. I'm still working on myself, and I know that I'll get it. So please, networking has opened doors for me. It has given me quality referrals. It has, as in network, I'm talking from a personal experience. So please, networking is so important. Learn to meet new people, learn to speak out, learn to tell people what you do, who you are. So please, it is very important to go find this business. Please, networking is so important. So please write that. I think I'm saying too much about networking. So if you want me to do a separate video on networking itself, please let me know in the comment section. So do you know what people call me? My friends or customers who are a bit close to me, they call me the Aladio one of Africa. So today I want to tell you the secrets. After God, I want to tell you the secret behind that name. Maybe many people might feel like I have that money or the capital which I used in starting my business. No. So dropshipping has been the secret. So today I'll be giving you the names of trusted and tested importers that I know that your mind will be at rest. They won't fuck up. That even when you send your orders to them, just go back to sleep. They will do and undo. They will do everything for you. So stay tuned as we will be getting to know the importers' names and where they are based today. So let me start with myself. My name is funmikeafolabomi. I'm the CEO of Funtomat. Please, I need to advertise myself. It is very important. I import from China, from Turkey, from Dubai, and I also run a store, a dropshipping store for people who don't have capital to start their business. So please, I'll be calling out my contacts, and also it will also display on the screen. Just get somewhere and write and chat me up, then we can start business. Even if you don't have a time. See, after this pandemic, the work will not remain the same. Yeah, so many people, I'm sorry to say this, but so many people have lost their jobs. Even while we can still get, even if the money is not so much at the beginning, it can go a long way to help. So please, if your work has not been going on well, or you've recently been sacked or laid off or live without pay, please, this is for you. Please just try and do something. Everybody would remain the same after this. Every businesses won't remain after this. So please, this episode is really for you. Okay, so people have been saying these days what people need so much is food. They are not interested in buying things. Let me tell you that is not totally true. During this pandemic, I knew how much I paid, though I couldn't deliver, but the goods are like, people were paying, yes. And during that, I made sure I upgraded my skills, advertising. I registered for so many online courses where I got new skills, videography, how to edit, how to video avatar and all that. Those are going to help me with marketing. So please, you need to always improve yourself. You need to always learn. You learn and unlearn in this business. No one is an island. So like I said the other time, I'm an importer. I import from some countries. So if you're interested in dropshipping with me, my number is 081 86 79 22 62. So just chat with me and let me know that you're from YouTube, my YouTube channel. You want to start dropshipping with me, and let us start something good together. No money is small. That's slow. So welcome back. So this importers, I'll be giving you their contacts today. I've spoken with them that I will be giving my family members on YouTube their contact. So feel free to chat them or just tell them you're from Funmike, and be sure that this will not go like that. Something good is gonna come out of this. Yes. So although most of them might not have so many, most of them might have limited goods owing to this pandemic. Most of the goods, even my own goods, is stuck in China. So most of us have limited goods on ground, but we pray that everything gets sorted out, everything goes back to normal, then our goods will start coming back. So this person I want to talk about, her name is Mrs. Aki and me Victoria. My yoga at the top. This woman, no. This woman, I don't know how to describe her. I don't know what to. So I started my business with her in 2016. And so she was the first person I started dropshipping for, and she was so patient because I really didn't know much about how everything works. I was just going with a little I knew. I was ready to just try or to test the waters, but she was really patient with me. She took her time to make me understand how everything works. Like, she was so patient on understanding. Thank you so much. I've never met her. I've never seen her. Although I've been to her house a few times, but in all, I've never seen her. No, I would send orders to her and I'll go back to sleep. I'll go back to rest because I know that she is capable. So she's a CEO of Vikki Babe Ventures. She's located in Lagos. She's an import. She imports from China, Dubai, Turkey, UK, and US. So she's into fashion, accessories, anything clothing, unisex clothing, footwears. She's into electronics as well. iPad for children. She sells them. She sells footwears. If you know about my Instagram business page or any of my business page, and you see those mosquito nets, those fine mosquito nets, she's the one behind it. So she sells household items and kitchen items. So just chat her up and tell her you're from me and that you want to start dropshipping for her. So let me call out a number for you. Okay, so here is the number: 08034934315. Again, 08034934315. So just chat her up and tell her you're from me, you want to start drop shipping with her, then she will tell you. And please, like I said the other time, always ask importers of their policies, because different importers have different policies, so there won't be any misunderstanding. So please always remember to ask them for their policies. Okay, so welcome back. The next person I'll be talking about is Mrs. Olawale Oluwase. This woman, a level of patience is something I covet. She's so patient and understanding. Look, the contact of these people I'm giving you, you cannot do business with them and your life remain the same. Yeah, quote me. You can do business with them and your life will remain the same. No, it's not possible. So she's based in Lagos. She's the CEO of Nemi Empire. She has a store here in Lagos and Ibadan. She's an importer. She imports from UK, US, Dubai, Turkey, and China. And she's very trustworthy. all these people I'm telling you or giving you their contacts, I can bet it with you. They are very, very trustworthy people that you can always do business with and go to rest. Just go and sleep and leave it to them to do and undo. So she's into everything: clothing, dresses, unisex dress, footwears, body shapers. She's also into kitchen utensils. Any kitchen utensils you need, just go and meet her. That you want to start dropshipping for her, that you are from Funmike. So let me call out a number. Her number is 080 600 53311. 080 600 53311. That is her number. She's based in Ibadan and Lagos. Just chat her up and tell her you're from me and see what happens. After this section, you cannot remain the same. It is impossible. So that's that for her. The next person I'll be talking about is Mrs. Omalola Branco. Yalaje, one of Africa. This woman, she's that balance you need. Though there are different kinds of customers. So Yalaje, you learn how to deal with customers. You learn how to relate with customers from her. She's very good at that. She'll give you that balance you need in between gentility and being firm at times or being strict at times. Yeah, so she's an importer, exporter. She sends goods, she delivers goods within Nigeria and outside Nigeria. She imports from UK, the same country, UK, US, Dubai, Turkey and China. And her goods are, if you want anything designer, just chat her up. Yeah, she also has a group, a dropshipping group. Just chat her up for anything you need in the fashion line and anything designer, be it shoe, be it bags. Just chat her up and see what happens. So here is her number. Her mobile number is, okay, she's the CEO of fashion sports stores based in Lagos. She's located in Lagos, but she delivers nationwide, even to some other countries outside Nigeria. She delivers there. So her number is 080 87 86 22 54. Again, 080 87 86 22 54. So the next person I'll be talking about is my Oga in the hair industry. Although for now I'm not into hairs, but if you, I know there will be people, or some of you that are watching this who will be interested in hair, and it's anything pertaining to hair, just chat her up. So her name is Mrs. Amos Uneka. She's based in Lagos as well. She's the CEO of Canaza Hair. Yeah, she's based in Lagos. Just chat her up. She delivers to anywhere in Nigeria, both Lagos, outside Lagos. She does delivery there. Any type of hair you need, just chat her up. She's the go-to person. So here is the number: 080 33 55 1908. Again, 080 33 55 1908. Anything hair, chat Mrs. Amos up. She will, very sure. And like I said earlier, that most of we importers now, for some times now, we've not been having goods, so we have limited goods. But just start something, just chat them up and let them know you want to start dropshipping for them. And some of us too still have goods, although limited goods, but we still have goods you can start with. These people who have given you their contact so far, they are trustworthy people. They are people I can always vouch for. If anything goes wrong, come and meet me. Come and meet that. Funke, this person you gave me their number, something happened, but I'm very sure that nothing can happen. I've been doing business with these people for the past 3 to 4 years, and I've never had any sad story with them. So they're people I can always vouch for. Yes. So if there's any other, although I still have over 10 importers, I feel this video is getting so long. I still have over 10 importers you can also dropship for. They're also in other lines. So if there's any area or any specification I've not mentioned, just let me know in the comment section that you would like me to also get imported for this so area, and I'll work on it. So there'll be a continuation for this particular video. It's getting so long, so let's cut it short, then we'll continue later. So if there's any other video you would like to see or watch on this channel, please let me know in the comment section. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, comment, share. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Any topic or anything you would like me to talk about, let me also know in the comment section. So your first time on this channel, please, you cannot afford to go away without subscribing. So please be cool. Remember to subscribe. Thank you so much. Also, do not forget to check my 2 previous videos on how to start a business without capital, and also how to make face masks without a sewing machine. Thank you so much. I'll be in the comment section waiting for you. Thank you so much. Mwah.